We're going to quickly show you how a virtual agent can handle multiple requests in a single chat for a food delivery service. So coming onto our website, we've got the chatbot in the bottom left-hand corner. The agent greets us, and I'm going to tell it that my order is damaged. It's going to ask me for an order number, which I'll give it. It's asked me to describe the issue or send an image, so I'm going to send an image without any explanation. The AI detects that the image is damaged. It asks me to confirm what the issue is. And then it asks me if I'd like to proceed with a replacement and a 20% discount. So, in the same chat, even though I've now had the replacement confirmed, I can still continue and raise more issues or make further inquiries. And I'll ask it to find my order, and it tells me it's out for delivery at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't have to provide an order number again because I'm talking about the same order. I'm going to tell it I'd like to cancel a different order at this point, and now it's going to go through security steps with me, so I'm going to provide it with an order number. Confirm my mobile number associated with the order. And then I'm going to confirm my delivery address. Now I've confirmed my delivery address, it's confirmed the cancellation, and it will send me an email shortly. So what we've seen there is one conversation with essentially 3 different requests. So we had the first request where a damaged item was satisfactorily dealt with and resolved with, a 20% reduction in the price. And by cancelling the original order and replacing it altogether. Which, as we saw, it read that image really quickly as well. And then we had the order status checked for the same order. We saw it was arriving the next day at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And then we had a second, different order cancelled and recalled as well, all in the space of literally a couple of minutes. The same chat with a call centre would have taken 20 minutes and likely needed 3 different agents. There are time-saving benefits attached to this. It frees up staff to do other things and allows different agents to focus on other tasks, which is brilliant. If you'd like to see this on your own platform, get in touch with us at Fortay Connect and we'll show you how this integrates with what you already have.